How to edit Facebook Reels after posting. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can edit your Facebook Reels after you've already posted it. Now by editing your reel, it can be anything such as its captions, its visibility, or adding or removing hashtags and anything. Now let's get started with that. First, open up your Facebook. After you open your Facebook, you will need to head over to your profile. To do that, simply tap on the menu on the bottom right and then tap on your profile's name, and there you go. Now what you'll need to do is you'll need to go to your Reels. Now you can check out your Reels by simply scrolling down, or you will see a Reels option. Now you can find your Reels option right somewhere around here, like videos, or you can simply go to your post and check it out. Now what you'll need to do is simply head down to the reel. After you open the reel, what you'll need to do is tap on the three dots, and after you tap on it, you will see the edit reel option. Tap on edit reel, and right there you will be able to change your description, that is your caption. You can even add your hashtags from here, and again you can change your visibility. After you do so, you can simply tap on done and tap on save. And that is how you edit your reels after posting it. And that is basically it for the video too. Thanks for watching guys. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.